Dear friends, conducting of online examinations became a minimum requirement in this pandemic situation. It's been a difficult task for the science teachers, physics, maths, chemistry teachers because they have to write superscript, subscript, XYZ. I have prepared for this reason one of the video on the one of the extension. The name is Equatio. Each and every option of that equation have been explored, like graphs, periodic tables, how we can make the equations, how we can draw that one, how we can give the voice speech. So everything, voice search, so everything I have explored in that one. If you haven't watched that one, you can go and you can check out that video first. Then to add to that video, for smaller changes after doing copy and paste also, if you want small modifications in that paste options, like super, if you want some normal font to the superscript option, if you want change from the normal font to the superscript. So for that is the reason, if you do from MS Word to copy and paste, or if you do from the PPT to the your Google Forms, it is highly difficult because you cannot paste that one. So there is an option for that one which I will explain you in that one, that how you can do. So this is my Google form. Presently I am preparing the question paper. That's how I thought to share this one. By using this Equatio extension also I can prepare, but that takes time. So to avoid that, to reduce, to make it my work smarter, what I am doing, I am doing the copy paste from the outer source. So since both are, this Google Sheet and Google Forms are the Google products only, so from this one that is supporting superscript, subscript, copy and paste you can do. So what I can do here, options I have been given here, you can check out here. Superscripts are I have taken here. If you want ions, cations and anions, +1, -1, +3, okay, like from here you do copy thing, copy and you can do. Apart from that one, okay, some constant values also I have given here, like Planck constant, Boltzmann constant. These things also you can do from here, copy and paste you can do. Whether it will work it or not, that we will check. So for example, I want a subscript as a 2. What I will do, I will simply copy it and I go here. So this I don't want, this as a normal font I don't want. What I will do here, I will paste. Yes, it is coming. So your work will become easy now. Okay, the same way you can do in the maths and physics also, wherever you want. So select that particular one, okay, or you remove that, and in that particular place you can do copy and paste. Okay, so what I will do, this Google Sheet I will give in the description. From there you can take and you can use, you no need to prepare separately. So that's how now my question is ready. Now I will change it, the same I will copy 7 there and I will change here. So in the question paper at a time you can do wherever the superscript or subscripts are the required. So this is how you can use this option. So I thought it will be useful for you, okay, to minimize your work. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.